All right, let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, still in the graphing calculator section, and they want to know what happens to this function. It's x cubed minus 3bx, and b is always greater than 0. For part A, they just want you to graph it, substitute 1, 2, and 3 for b. And so, now if you do that, you're going to get something along the lines of function that kind of goes through here, back to the origin, dips down, and comes back up, right? All right, so part B, of course, now we're getting into the calculus part. They want to know, well, when does the relative maximum occur? Relative maximums occur at critical points. So to find critical points, it's going to take the first derivative, set it equal to 0. So fairly routine, 3x squared minus 3b. When is that equal to 0? Solve for x, and of course you get x equals plus or minus square root of b. So looking at the graph, you can see that the relative maximum occurs over here. So that's going to be square root of b, negative square root of b. And the relative minimum is going to occur over here, positive square root of b. Just a word of caution. Part B says find the x and the y coordinates. So x and y. So pretty much you can use the graph, since you've already labeled it, part A, you can use the graph to identify that this is negative square root of max. So all you have to do is find the y value. Just plug into your x these two spots where you get the negative square root of b, negative square root of b, and so just rewrite this equation using the rules that you learned in algebra, and you just combine like terms. So this would be negative b to the half power, minus times minus gives me 3. This is b to the first, this is b to the 1/2. Combining those, you get what? You get b to the 3/2. So you can pretty quickly come to that conclusion. You have 2b 3/2 power. That's the y coordinate. Alright, so you'll do the same thing for part C, but you'll be looking at the relative minimums in terms of b. And in part D, they want to know, show all the values where b is greater than 0, that the relative max and minimum point lies on a function of the form y equals negative ax cubed. It wants to find the value of a. So let's take a look at that one.